This was a lot easier in my head. So you know how whenever you're gonna do something, you have this you have this blueprint in your head, how you want it to go, the steps, and then when you start the project, you realize just how much you underestimated the task. That's exactly what happened today. I wanted to create a UI, user interface, for the program that I designed in the previous video to change it from a command line based to I don't know if I even call it command line, but from that to be in a graphical user interface where you have a window you can just generate. And I got there in the end, but oh man, it was not the quickest of journeys. It was not fun either. Now, before I begin, I should put on the record, I am not the best at creating things, make things look good. Like, I despise the front end, seriously. I crave for the back end. Okay, that's to be a better way to phrase that. I really want to be a backend developer because making things look pretty is really not my thing, and you see as much when you get into it. Timestamps in the description before we begin. You can go check those out because most of this video is just educational, where I was learning what not to do. So I'll put timestamps in the description. If you want to skip around, feel free to skip around. But yeah, I did go through it, managed to get there in the end, and yeah, I don't promise aesthetics. What I do promise is functionality, because I mean, I think I'd rather have something that looks ugly but works than have something that looks absolutely sensational but does not work. So that's the idea in mind. But with that being said, please do, I don't know if you're going to enjoy it, but please do go through the video. This dot get class dot get resource. There we go. And now I just need to pass in I don't even know the path. Okay, now I'm just gonna do this net.coder.io.res.icon.png. Let's try that again, shall we? Forward slash forward slash forward slash forward slash forward slash, and that should be the icon. But of course, it's not the icon until we actually register it as the icon. So this dot set icon image icon dot to get image. And yeah, we're now successfully done with the window. This is the final code that we're going to be using in here. So this is the panel, and yeah, it's it's fun. Okay, it's not pretty, like I said, not too big a fan of front end, but yeah, this is the final. It's going to look like. I did say I don't promise aesthetics, but I promise this functionality. And yeah, we do have this little icon here, so it's nothing crazy. I didn't really make it flashy. Please bear with me. But yeah, so this is going to need to give this button function, and we also do need to make sure that this is never null. So this is why I've like hard coded. There'll always be a project name here. That's what I've set it to, just to ensure. But if you delete stuff and then create, I'm also going to add a null check just to ensure that there's literally no problems. But yeah, we're done with making this part look, and now we can actually start focusing on the important stuff, which is the function. Anyways, let's actually get to it. So first off, we need to actually get the text from the text field. So Java 22 is amazing. Proper punctuation is very important. So that should be everything working. I hope. This is still giving me some problems, but we're gonna have to see. Let's run it and actually see if it works. So here we are. Let's clear this. Create. It's not creating anything. It's not even setting the text. Wait, actually, let's just try something like John P. I need to actually set like success text or something. Project name here. I mean, well, I mean, he created something, right? Oh gosh. Okay, so yeah, there's some kinks that need to be ironed out. I don't understand why we are not working here. This is the action listener. Wait, hold on. Okay, so I fiddled around a bit with it, and I think I might have actually found. So I added this before creating the elements to actually show what we get. So right now, project name here, we can create that here. Now watch what happens if I erase this and actually put in something like ABC. It also gives project name here, which means that we're not really getting ABC, instead we're getting this project name here, which is why we got the project name in the first place. So no matter what we do, we're getting project. We're getting project name. The reason I think that's because is because this JText field here, I added in the text so that you have a value there, but that means that whatever we're getting from this is actually going to be that. So I have a feeling I might know how to fix that. First of all, we're gonna try removing it completely. I have a theory. I have two ways that I think we can fix this. So first off, we're going to remove that, and then we're gonna run this again to see if this actually works. If that doesn't work, then I have something else in mind. If that doesn't work, I have something else in mind. So there's nothing. We can type Java is cool. It's not I spell cool with G's. Great. And now we are just not getting any kind of input or output for that matter. So basically it's acting as if it's blank, and the reason for that is because obviously it's blank because we just set it to blank here. So enter the second one. I've never had this issue with JText fields. I don't know why it's happening right now, but we're not getting the valid thing that you're getting from it. So we need to actually set text to be the input text, but then we cannot get the input text in the first place. There's a JText if you're supposed to type stuff and then get from it. I don't know why I'm not getting from it. This is absolutely mind-boggling. Here comes something very much stupid. Project name field. There's no way this actually works, but I'm telling you, if this works, it'll be so stupid because what? This makes zero sense, mate. What the heck? Does it work though? Obviously it doesn't work. Bro, what? I don't get it. Why are we not getting the text? Why are we getting a blank? It makes no sense. Alright, so it's been like 15 minutes. I still can't find out what's wrong, so I actually had to go to Stack Overflow. I couldn't find out what was wrong. I went to Stack Overflow for some research, for some help. I also did do a little bit of research, and I think I have just found what's wrong. Last time I made a project like this using Java Swing, I was implementing an action listener, which means everything was automatically updated. But in this case, you know, the panel is separated from the frame, so it's like, it's kind of difficult to explain, but then this is not being updated. It's literally still this, and then when I run this, it's still not updated. That's why it's not really changing the value. And to fix that, what I found out is we can actually say supplier. I call that supplier because of Minecraft modding. I don't know if that's actually the case. this will update the value that is in the text field. And I kind of was in the right direction, because if you remember, I did do this before, but then I didn't do it in an action listener. So honestly, I don't even know if it'll work now. But yeah, this is the fix. I also did that this back because, well, we're gonna be able to update it now. So we're gonna run this and actually hope that it works. What I love about this is that, practicing, you do get to learn. Like, yeah, this is something I did not know before, but yeah, I do know it now. So we're just gonna name it project. Let's create. Oh, I did not update. It still didn't update. If we implement an action listener, then we need to actually implement a method action performed. This is the change my font size, by the way. This is just so that I can actually change the font size without having to declare 9 different fonts. So in here is where we're supposed to set everything. But what that does mean is the fact that we need to make sure that all of these variables are now outside this method, because you cannot access any of these objects from outside the method. I should probably just go in a different direction in general. Anyways, yeah, we got this. We've got all of these warnings. These will change whenever I actually access all of the stuff here. So, project name field dot set text. Project name field dot get text. This is my life now. So yeah, whenever we perform an action, it should now automatically update this. Nope, still not. Okay. Plan B. All right. So more time later, we're back, and I haven't really done much. The only thing I've done is just moved the JFrame and the panel from being 2 separate files into the same here, because that way there's no need to be updating anything, literally, because they're in the same one. They'll be created together, which means everything will be well updated by the time we have to type in something. So literally all the same, instead of just keeping them separate like app-frame then app-panel as different classes, we now have them in the same constructor. We just have to actually add in the listener now. So create button dot add action listener. That's the only thing that's left to do here. So we're going to use our same lambda expression to actually make this work. And yeah, we just have to make sure it's not null first. Can I be bothered? I actually can be bothered. It's just so useful. All right. Wait, could we have put the get text in here so that it actually got the item? Anyways, that doesn't matter. It does not matter. But if it's not blank or empty, then we want to create. All right, I wanna go on good terms here. So I'm gonna put faith in my coding this time around that it's actually gonna work, and I'm actually gonna give this the name of the video that I'm working on. So it's gonna be Java input output UI. Let's create I created project Java IO UI. And then if it's empty, let that be empty. Type something or I won't create anything. Java IO UI. Love that. We can actually name this anything. Learning is fun. Ooh, it did not like that. Oh, it did not like that. Oh my days. Okay, hold on. Oh, Java did not like that, bro. Wait, cannot find the system for that. Do not use ellipse. Is it called ellipse? I don't know. Do not use this. Wait, hold. Did it actually create it? I don't think it did. I mean, it created the learning is fun. It just didn't create the stuff inside it. It is 4 a.m. right now. I just got done editing the video, and yeah, today was fun. Honestly, it doesn't matter how long it takes to learn something, as long as you learn it in the end. That's all that matters. So I just wanted to let you guys know that if you wanted to learn how to export your project in intellij to a jar file like this, then I'll link a short down below in the description where you can go check that out if you so wish. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did learn something or enjoyed my suffering at the very least, then consider dropping a sub, leave a like, and I will hopefully see you guys in the next video.